Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday means Friday freebie. This one I have designed specifically for you guys. It's part of my lavender and citrus kit. So it's a full page. All details are coming here in the video in just a moment. Keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, happy Friday. Hope you are ready for the weekend. What's the plan for the weekend? Not much here at this end. I'm hoping I can get some crafting done. So excited because today you're going to get this page here, which is some ephemera I have designed using my newest kit. It's called Lavender and Citrus, and I've done two videos. No, I've done a video this week with two projects. So the first one was this tower here. So it's like this, but it's not going to fit on the screen because it's 12 by 4. So I have used a 12 by 12 paper. So that's 12 times 4, and you get with this, I use this kit, and you get 6 pockets. So you've got one pocket there, and one there, one there, and one there, one there, and one there. I have used all the pages of the kits, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. And the back, I just put this fabulous yellow page, which is again part of the kit. Before I show you the freebie, let me show you the kit first. This digital kit has 4 pages, so it's part of my minis. It's called Lavender and Citrus, of course, for obvious reason. So it's got 2 tones. It's got burgundy, not burgundy, but what I meant is lavender and yellow, and there is a bit of green in there. So you've got one page with this. So do you know, if you laminate this, it can be an amazing placemat for your summer tables, or like a journal cover, or you can make envelopes, you can make cards, anything. Then you got second page when it's got this yellow. There's 3 tones of yellows on this page, so I played with that. Then I got another page when you got a more like a highlighter yellow. Do you know, that really bright yellow with of course lavender flowers. It's got again 2-3 tones of lavender. It's beautiful. I love them. I think purple and yellow as a color combination work really well. And then you got 4th page when you got some tags. Okay, so today you're gonna get 3 envelopes. One is my large one that you normally see in other kits, so that's totally a little complimentary treat to say thank you. And then you get 2 small envelopes here. For the power of YouTube, magic, ta-da! Yes, I already fussed them. So I have printed this front and back, so you get the design inside the envelope as well. So let me give you some dimensions. So the large envelopes, which is the scalloped envelope, measure 4.5 by 3. Super cute. I love these papers. I love, as I said on the video, I love yellow and lavender, and I love yellow and turquoise. Really, really nice combination. And then the two small envelopes, they measure the tiny, well, they're not really tiny because there's literally just under 3 inches by 2. So you can fit some stamps, you can fit a tea bag, you can do anything that you want with it. As well as the tower pockets I have made, I also made a little card. I love it. It says, "True friendship is one of God's greatest gifts." Very, very simple, just some layers using the same paper. Okay guys, as usual, 2 ways to get the freebies. 3 ways actually. One way, go on my website, a link down below, is on the homepage, totally free of charge. You need to put in the basket and continue with the transaction, but you're not going to get charged for it. Second, join my Facebook group. You can see every single freebie that I have shared in a PDF format for the last 2 years. So if you click on files, it's going to be there. And the third way, this is coming out as we speak every Friday at 9 p.m. to my newsletter. So 1 email a week. It's free, so you can join my newsletter. You get one email every Friday with some crafty news and the freebie attached. So you don't have to do anything. The only thing you need to do is click download and save it on your laptop. Very, very straightforward and easy. Guys, as usual, massive thank you for me, heart, because I really, really appreciate every comment, every likes, every share that you guys do. It honestly means the world to me. Okay guys, thank you ever so much for watching the video. It means the world to me. If you liked it, usual big thumbs up. It's really always much appreciated. It means the world to me, honestly, guys. Your support, and I know I always say it, but I'm very thankful for what you guys do for me. If you like this video, I've shared on Wednesday, using the same kit, how to make a card and this stack. I call it tower stack or pockets for your journals, or can be used as a floating pocket because it's lined on the back as well. I will put the video here on the screen, so just click on it and I will take you straight to the video. Guys, thank you ever so much for watching. Have a fabulous weekend, and until Monday, stay safe and well. Bye.